What's going on, everybody? Pop Principal here with another Funko Pop review, and today we have Spider-Man Captain Universe iteration. This from the Amazing Spider-Man line, when they were hitting us constantly with those Amazing Spider-Man pops. Now, this is a very interesting pop. I remember seeing this pop on a shelf before I actually started collecting seriously. Around the time the What If pops had kind of dropped, I was in Hot Topic, or not Hot Topic, but FYE, and I saw a gang of these actually just sitting on the shelves. I didn't really pay it no mind because I was kind of getting into the What If line. This was when I first started collecting. I didn't really know where I was going to go with my collection and if it was just going to be Marvel or whatever it is. But once I actually got into it and I saw this suit, I was like, this is amazing. Once I knew the Spider-Verse comic book storyline and got introduced to the Captain Universe version of Spider-Man, knowing that this is one of the most powerful versions of Spider-Man, if not the most powerful version of Spider-Man in the actual Marvel comic universe. So I was like, of course I gotta have it. And it's a very dope design. It's very different, very unique. It's not that same red and blue suit. It's stark contrast to that particular suit. And again, they are using that similar body that they were using for a while on Spider-Man. So I mean, it's a good pose. You get to see a lot of different what's the right features in the actual mode. So it looks pretty good. So it's an Entertainment Earth exclusive, a limited edition. Of course, it's not limited, but you can still find it for a good price at this point. I believe I don't even remember where I got this from. It's been a while. I've had it in the collection for a while. I'm just now getting to it. So with that being said, let's get right into an outer box look. And here we have an outer box look at that Captain Universe Spider-Man. You see from the mid abdomen down to the feet, he has that all white design, and then you go up into the chest and arms and head area, and he has the universe look to it. It is not black. It is like a dark blue, more or less, and you see those white dots on his chest, which all look pretty good. It makes it really stand out. You see that's the web coming out of the face mask. I mean, not the face mask, but the mouth of the face mask, which looks interesting. I don't know why not just I don't know what the comic designer was thinking when he made that. Maybe there's a reason, but I would have just made the whole thing look like the universe colorway, I should say. But yeah, it's very dope. You see those white eyes. And you see the cosmic power coming out of his arms in that translucent orange and yellow connect. I don't know what you might call it, but piece. Those orange and yellow pieces on his wrists that are translucent. They look pretty good. I love this design. It looks very different from any other Spider-Man design they've made so far. It has a pretty cool comic what's the word history. So yeah, just another dope Spider-Man to add to the collection. All the little speckles are representative of the stars in the universe and all of that. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. I enjoy it. Let's get right into a comparison shot of Captain Universe Spider-Man. And here we have a look at the Captain Universe Spider-Man and the normal Spider-Man suit in that red and blue. As you guys can see, it is a pretty stark difference in suits. The pose is a little different. Not that same pose from the Walgreens Future Foundation Spider-Man and the symbiote suit Spider-Man, but the legs are pretty much the same. The hands are a little different. It actually seems like it's a little shorter, like the abdomen is just a little small. You think it would be just a little bit longer because you can see it's a little shorter than the actual animated series version, but nothing, just nitpick. Like I said, I do love this design. I am glad to have it in the collection. Very different suit. So if you guys are interested, you should be able to find it for a very, very fair price at this particular time. It's a couple years old, maybe like 2 or 3 years old. So with that being said, like, subscribe, tune in, be on the lookout for the next review, and Pop Principal out.